Hey guys, welcome back to Gaming with Legends 10. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 10 on a PC or a virtual machine. So first, you're going to open up a software to create a Windows installation drive, like Win2USB. Then then you're going to select Windows installation USB. And then you're going to choose an ISO. You can either download one from Win2USB or you can select one on your own. In my case, I already have an ISO, so I'm just going to use that. Then you're going to plug in a USB drive that that you want to install your Windows machine from. But that drive will be formatted, so be careful. If you have any data on that, back it up first. Then anyway, you're going to select your drive. Then you're going to press proceed. And it's going to start creating your USB. Once it's done, just close the program. In my case, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be creating a VM. So you're going to choose your ISO, you're going to name your machine, and you're going to choose where you want the machine to be. I want it to be in the folder I've created before, and then just press finish. Then you're gonna select your hard disk size, and then you can customize your hardware if you want. In my case, I'm gonna give it six gigabytes of RAM and 4 CPU cores. Then you're gonna press finish and it's gonna create the VM. Take your time now to like and subscribe. Then once your virtual machine is done, it's gonna connect, it's gonna load into it, and from here on, if you're installing it on a blank PC or you're installing it on a VM, it's gonna be the same. So it's gonna take a few minutes to load up, and you're gonna get into the Windows splash screen. You're gonna select your language, then press next, then install now. Then it's gonna take some time for setup to start. Then if you have a product key, enter it now, or press I don't have a product key. Then select your Windows edition, press next. Then agree to the terms of service and press next. So you can either upgrade your PC, which keeps all your data, but you need to have a compatible version of Windows running for that. You're going to go and select you're going to go onto your drive and select setup.exe. In my case, since this is not a previously used PC, this is a blank VM or a blank PC, like if you just built one, then you're gonna go to custom and select drive 0 or whatever drive you're installing it on, unallocated space. Um, if it's formatted previously and it's not formatted in NTFS, you're gonna wanna format it as an NTFS partition to ensure best performance. Then it's gonna it's gonna copy your Windows files and it's gonna get them ready for installation. This process will take a while, so like go grab some popcorn or like watch some YouTube or whatever you want. Grind at Fortnite. Anyway, once this part is done, it's gonna restart into Windows. As you can see, it's starting up again. And now you're gonna have to wait a long time. I don't know why, but it takes forever I, to get ready. And this is sped up by 1,000 times. So it's pretty slow. And it restarts again. And then you're into setup. Then you select your language and region, and then your keyboard layout. Then if you want, you can add another keyboard layout. But in my case, no. Then it's gonna update. So it's gonna take a while. And again, this is sped up by 1,000%. So it will take a while. Then it's gonna ask you if you want to set it up for personal use or set it up for an organization. Then you're gonna add an account, a Microsoft account, but in my case, I'm gonna create a local account because I don't feel like signing in. Then you're gonna press limited experience. Then you're gonna create a name for your account. Uh, if you're um then you're gonna create a password. If if you want to add a Microsoft account, just enter your email, then your password, or you can choose to get an email code at your email. Then, but if you choose to get an email code, you're gonna have to use a PIN to protect your device. Then for a local account, you're gonna and put in some security questions. Then you then oh my god. But I personally would recommend using an online account for because of if you sign in with your Microsoft account during setup, you're gonna get things like OneDrive built in. Then it's gonna ask you to customize your experience. You can just press skip. Then it's gonna ask you if you want to use Cortana. Again, you don't need it. Then it's gonna take forever to create your profile and stuff. And it's updating again. And then you're in. Now, if you're installing Windows on a PC, this is where you stop. But if you're using a VM, keep watching. So, so you're gonna go to so you're going to go to you're gonna go to wherever. It varies from virtual machine software to other software. Then you're gonna select install VMware tools. So like if you have something VMware vSphere, it's gonna be pretty different. This is a VMware workstation player, so it's gonna vary from VM to VM. Anyway, then you're going to go into File Explorer. You're gonna go into File Explorer and select the DVD drive. And you might have to go and click on this PC first. I don't know why it went to downloads. But anyway, yeah, you're gonna go to this PC, then you're gonna select the DVD drive, then you're gonna run setup.exe. Or if you don't have file extensions labeled, just setup. Then you're gonna press yes, Then it's gonna prepare VMware tools for installation. Then you're gonna get into VMware setup, VMware tool setup. I would recommend doing a typical or complete installation. Most of the time I do typical. Then you just wait for it to install. This will also take some time, maybe like 5 minutes. But yeah, once it's done, you're gonna have to restart your PC, your VM. And again, you don't have to do any of this VMware tool stuff if you're using a regular PC. This is only for if you're using a VM. And then the next time you boot into your VM, it's not gonna be the tiny screen anymore. It's gonna like conform. It's gonna change its resolution to match your screen size. Or you can just exit full screen mode and re-enter full screen to achieve the same effect. And there you are. You're into Windows 10.